Oh, it's really dark in here.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
You're pretty.
Thank you.
Guess where we are, guys? We're back at storage. So in 2 weeks, here, look, see, there's our stuff. In 2 weeks there's a fathers and sons outing that Colson's not quite old enough to come, but I might be taking some of the young men. So we've got to get some camping stuff that's been in storage. Is it broken? Okay, then let's just leave it here and not touch it, okay? Okay. Here, do you want to hold this?
No.
And I'll check what's in the box you were asking about. You were asking about the one at the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold it.
Okay, this one
Okay.
has decorative plates.
Hold it.
Oh, okay. I don't even know if I've ever.
This one is binders.
Binders. Oh, does it have like my sewing samples binder and stuff?
Is that what this is?
Oh, okay.
Do you want it?
No, I'll get it when I figure out where to put stuff at home. And by I'll get it, I mean we'll get it because,
Yeah.
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 But
Those
I
are
really-
Daddy's keys.
I just want to know what all is in here so that I know how much space to try to clear out in our apartment.
Hold it.
Trumpet and dishes, mostly. And VHS tapes.
Yeah. Someday we'll get a VCR again, right?
Maybe. If there's still any working. By the time we have space for an entertainment center we can put it high enough that babies won't break it. Now we're gonna go shop for a double stroller. We're gonna go look at double strollers to see if we can find one to get. Because Sarah wants one.
Yeah. It's getting really old trying to have to wear Raina everywhere I try to walk. Because I do not trust Colson to not run in the road if I put Sabrina in the stroller.
Hi.
Hey, time to go, Colson.
You ready to go? We're gonna go back to the car. We've had a rough day today. Sarah's a little tired. It's so much fun having 2 kids. We love it. It's so great. Yay.
So we have some visitors now, and Colson decided he wanted to be just like them. He had to get his little computer to join the party.
We are good influences.
Yes. What you working on there? Typing something? Yeah. Cool. Pushing.
Push it.
Pushing.
Yeah. Okay. Good job. He was just playing with this wand all calmly, and then he saw that I had the camera out, and he decided to show off and be a ham and put it in his mouth. Anyway, I got out the camera because I was noticing on this YouTube video of a song about ice cream. There's this one ice cream flavor that's apparently daisy flavored. I don't quite understand. Whatever, I just thought it was funny, so I got out the camera. And while I've got it out, I'll show you Raina, because she was being happy. Yes, she was. Is that a smile I see? Yes, it is. Oh, you're so adorable. She's been very smiley the last few days. It's been nice. Yes, she has, and she's been a good sleeper. She's been sleeping through the night for a while now. Yes, she has. She's been sleeping from like 10:30 to 11ish until 6 or 6:30 every night for like a week. It's been amazing. Be careful with that, please, Kay. Let's not whack my phone or the remote. Or your head, really, but I can't take that away from you. What was I saying? Raina, sleeping. She's been doing good. A little less good during the day. I pretty much can't get her to take a nap unless I am holding her or actively bouncing her in that bouncer. Like, if I stop bouncing her, she will wake up and scream. But I'll take that since she lets me sleep all night. That is so nice. And she even goes to sleep by herself sometimes. The last couple of nights she's been like really tired, and I just put her in her bed and she's just kind of laid there wiggling kind of like this basically until she falls asleep. I mean, she'll lay there for like an hour just trying to go to sleep. I'm like, what? Are you sure? that you're normal here? Colson, be very careful with that. Do not whack Raina, please. Colson, no! Oh my gosh. Come over here. Okay, that was scary. What else was I gonna say? Yeah, so also remember we had Shrinky and Megan over and they are off picking up Poppy at the airport right now. You don't know if Poppy's coming, do ya? Hopefully I can get a good shot of Colson's reaction to seeing him because Christopher really wants me to film that. Hopefully I can get it. Oh, he wanted to watch the video, I guess. Went to a different video though. It's not the ice cream one, is it? It's one about a little bird. Well, various animals. Anyway, I was gonna say something else.
Little bird.
Maybe not. Little bird.
Flying bird.
Flying bird. Yep. Sorry we didn't film any of Double Stroller shopping. We were a little too busy trying to look at the strollers and keep Colson from screaming and Raina from screaming, so we didn't really think about filming. We didn't buy one. We decided we needed to think about them a little bit more because we didn't love every single thing about any of them. Like there was something that we didn't like about all of them, so we'll have to think about it for a bit. But yeah. They're so cute. You talking to your baby sister? Can we pause the video?
Little fish.
Little fish?
Nope.
Nope.
Can you swim? Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
So silly.
I can swim.
Okay, well, Shrinky told me that they just parked. So,
Have it come on.
have the camera.
Okay. Please.
Oh, if you're gonna say please, okay.
Vlog tonight.
Vlog tonight? What?
Vlog tonight. Jump moon tonight.
You're gonna jump over the moon tonight?
Yeah.
That sounds like fun.
A golden bird.
Goldie and Bear, did they jump over the moon? Okay, hopefully this goes okay, because Raina's not having it right now, but let's see. Okay.
Just gonna suggest me taking the video. But
Well, you could do that if you wanted, but
Feeling-
who's this?
all right. Hi. Look at that.
Did Shrinky and Megan come back?
Wait, Colson, look. Who's that?
Puppy.
Go give him a hug.
He's just like, wait, is that really what?
Look at him.
He's so cute.
Are you in shock? Hi. Did we blow it? Hi.
Poppy came to see
Give
you.
him Nuggles.
Not even on the iPad. Is he taller than you thought or something? Is he scary? Is he scary?
Ah.
It's Poppy. He's the one we always call on Sundays on the iPad.
Knew who I was. He said Poppy, but he was kind of shocked and like, okay, he's real though.
Yep.
This is a little different.
real and
Want me to
he's,
take that right there from you.
Yes.
Come here.
Look. You're not scared of Poppy, are you? You're not scared. How about you? Are you getting over it?
Down.
Down? Well, there you go, Christopher. There's your reaction that you really wanted to see.
It's my tie. Okay, let's go.
I think Colson's winning.
Yeah, probably.
Go Colson! Yay!
You distracted him.
Sorry. You're not doing this right. Oh, my turn.
You have to jump. Spin.
There.
That's my turn. Yeah.
Good going backwards.
Oh no.
Josh, you're supposed to jump on her back. Oh man, I got the camera out. Leah, are you gonna climb on the bed?
Should I lay down?
Should Poppy lay on the bed?
Who's gonna lay on the bed?
Should Megan get on the bed?
No. Oh. Megan bed.
Megan bed.
Oh.
Okay, are you gonna get on?
Are you gonna get on the mattress?
No, there's too much stimulation. Oh,
turn.
mommy's turn.
Was that funny? Off? He goes, ah, that's funny, get off.
Snuggles.
Mommy's okay on the bed, huh?
Yeah, that's okay.
Well, that's just because she tackled him. Should Megan get on the bed too? Okay. Where you going?
Big bed.
Is it a big bed?
An open bed.
Open bed?
Doesn't really open.
It doesn't open, bud.
No, stop. Up. Ready?
Whoa.
Don't make him fly. Oh.
Oh man.
He rolls.
Hi.
No.
Daddy's got to get on the bed.
Okay.
No.
That was long enough.
Long enough now. That's all you get.
I'm sleeping.
No.
Ben keeps scooting back.
Colson turn.
Ready, set, go. Yay!
Yay! Are you hopping?
Here comes Peter Cottontail. Hopping
No.
down the bunny trail.
That might be a little too rough, Josh.
Up there.
Oh, there. That's what he's wanted for a while, I think. He wants this off.
Hey.
Hooray!
Oh, Blinky.
Blanky.
Blinky.
Last night he kept on telling me he wanted another blanket. I put 3 on him. He says he wants another one. I'm like, I don't know what he's talking about.
Big bed.
Big bed.
Really, he does stuff like that just so that you won't leave? He's had me pile all of his animals on top of him.
And then he throws them off.
Yeah.
But-
Well, that's the funny thing is that recently he started throwing all of his stuffed animals on the floor before he goes to sleep. Except the seahorse. It's the only one allowed to stay there.
Yeah.
Because it plays music.
Well, till the camera's back. I'm kind of looking out.
He laid down, which was what we've been trying to film the whole time.
Oh, there's your favorite thing. Noise thing.
Megan, are you gonna inflate Megan? Did she deflate?
It must be a lot earlier here than there because you're
Kidding.
Kidding. Whoa!
You have to let it out. It's gonna go squish.
Ready? Ready? Stay there, Colson.
Whoa!
What happened?
You're squishing it.
What's going on?
What happened, Colson?
What's going on, Colson? What's going on?
Bed, oh
Bed, oh no!
We gotta put it away.
Close it.
Fix it, Megan.
Oh
Fix
no.
it.
I've made a terrible error.
No, but
Megan, fix it.
There you go. It's fixed.
open.
Okay.
More noise.
More noise.
Oh, he plugged it. There's not gonna...
No, he didn't.
Oh, okay. It's getting you. Oh no. Run away. Hey, Sarah. We made it to the beach.
Yeah.
Look, there's Megan and Shwinky. Raina's sleeping, and here comes Colson and Poppy. Colson, what's that? Water.
Down the water.
You want to go down in the water? We got to put on your swimming suit first, okay, bud?
And then he says, up.
He's saying hi to the duckies.
Said they saw some dolphins. I heard them say.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
He used to get his swimming suit.
You got to get your swimming suit on so we can go in the water, okay?
It's gonna be cold though.
That really doesn't faze him very much. It does a little bit, but not very much. Wait, stay here. Stay here so Mama can put your swimming suit on. Oh, it's so cold. You want to go out? Is it too cold? It's too cold. Oh, he's gonna go steal that kid's toys. Happy?
What is it?
Can't really see it. This sand's a little bit dry. That's a good idea. We do have a watering can. Oh, he's now likes that idea.
Go get some water?
Okay, leave the shovel here.
Ask Josh to fill it up for us. We'll give it to Josh and say, water, please.
Go. Let's go tell Shwinky to get us some water, okay? Okay, just pour it on the sand like here. Now go get some more. That it fell out a little bit.
Gorgeous. Yay!
More water.
More water? We need more
Shwinky's
water?
getting more water.
Yeah, we kind of need more water.
More water.
Your king commands it.
Some water down.
Yeah, is he getting some water? Look what's Poppy doing. Ready? Watch Poppy. Oh, you said ta-da. I didn't see what you did. Baby. Hi. Where are you going? Did it get on your hands? It's been fun. We're tired. Except Sarah's not. Sarah still has plenty of energy. Go figure. What you doing? You gonna push the button? Push it hard. Can you do it? You want Daddy to push it?
Okay.
There we go. Okay, we pushed it.
But
Are you bouncing? Bounce, bounce, bounce. Colson, where you going? This is a really bouncy ground thing here. Keep going, Schwink! He fell on his butt. Of course, he gets off as soon as I get it out. Do you want to swing on that swing? No? You're gonna have to help him. I hope it doesn't burn his. Oh no, the metal's actually pretty cool.
You have to grab it.
Grab it. Hold on. Bonk. Silly. Let me push you again. Ready? Whoa! Yay! Oh, all done.
Well, we had fun at the beach, right? But we also got sunburned. Hence the aloe vera gel application going on here. And my super bright red nose. I don't know how well it's showing up on here. I think it's actually pretty good, judging by the screen. It's kind of being, like, emphasized, actually, on the screen here. Yeah, I got burned really bad, because I actually forgot to put on sunscreen myself.
And she's the whitest of all of us.
Whoops.
So.
I was too busy putting it on Colson and then feeding Raina because she was really hungry and I just forgot. But yeah, we had fun. And we got some more stuff going on this next week. So next week's vlog will be fun too, right? Totally. So I guess we will call it a night and see you next week. Want to say bye?
Bye.